Alright guys, I figured I'd make a video for this because I don't see a lot of information on these B series buses. This is a 1985 Ford B600. It has the 340 motor in it. I'm currently trying to bring this thing back to life. I just painted it, cheap paint job, as you can see, with some Rust-Oleum. It was like a baby blue, like this, before I started. Okay, so I had some issues with the rotors. With the calipers. So I decided to just change them both out. And the passenger side brake line was broken, so I ended up replacing that too, which you can see right there. It's very easy. If you guys work on cars, it's the same shit. Everything is right there. With your new brakes. Oh, this is the issue I was running into. This side is regular threaded, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. This side is reversed, so you would have to go right to loosen it up, which I did not realize. I was fighting with this thing for over a week, and I decided to try it the other way because I know about these threads, but I haven't come across any in like a long time, so I wasn't even thinking that they were reversed. So this driver's side is reversed. So if you guys ever run into one of these buses, you might have the same issue. Just go the other way, it'll get it off. The kit I got from Rock Auto comes with the whole caliper, comes with these little rings. There's like a little groove right here. I don't know if you guys can see this little groove, but you just push the rings into here so that they seat inside the little groove there. Then you're gonna, of course, hook up your bleeder. For this bus, I did not need to use because the old ones did not have it and there was no fitting in it for it. So I did not use those. These, you want to pay attention because when the caliper sits on here, this slides in between. There's a screw there that holds it in place, but you have to squeeze this in at the same time. So make sure you take a picture before you fucking take this apart, because you're gonna be wondering which way does it sit, this way or this way. I use like a little a chisel, like the little chisel pieces, or you can use a screwdriver or something. Just wedge it there and just knock it through. Let me show you how it looks on the other side. I wish I would have actually took the video when I was doing the work. But there we are on the other side. How everything sits. Sometime it'll be a little rusty. It'll take a little while to bang it out, but you guys can do it if I can. Once that top piece is out, you can just fold the whole caliper right out. The lug nuts on this bus was 1.5 I was using to get these fuckers off. I got this cheap jack from Harbor Freight. So if you guys got any questions, just let me know. I'm very responsive in the comments. Thank you guys for watching.